So this is part 2 of our pie chart video, and now that we have all the data in, all we need to do is again select a cell in this area, go to insert and chart, and it doesn't automatically show the charts here, but if we click on more, here are all the types of chart that are available to us, and once we click, we're going to see that the chart is not available to us. And if you click on there, it'll give you these information. Why doesn't it match the current data? It says the first column should be a string, a text, and contains a slice label, and the second column should be a number and contains the slice value. So how can we fix that? We have everything that we want in that sheet, but how can we fix it? All we need to do is go back on start, and then for our ranges, we're gonna select the data ranges, and the first part of our data, which are the slice values, would be column A, or we can easily select this part, and then we're gonna add another range which we want to show. So click on another range and then select all of this from the very top, C1 to C8. Make sure that these values match the same, and then we're gonna click OK, and now you see here's our pie chart. It's smart enough and quickly picks up the best chart that it reflects. If it was not there, you can click on more and go through the rest of charts. So we're gonna click insert, and here it is, and click on chart and move it to its own page like so. At any time, if you want to edit these charts, whether it was a standalone or on its page, you're gonna have links to edit the chart. If you want to do the formatting, change the places of the legends, things like that, make it a 3D chart, or change the colors, you always have these options available. At this point, we're gonna click cancel, and what I'm going to do now is to demonstrate how these forms update again. So we're going to go back to our form, and let's see, we've got South America, Africa, Australia, and as you remember, there were 1 submissions so far for each. So we're going to go back and we're going to count for South America again. We're going back here, selecting South America, and we're gonna give some numbers again. So South America was our favorite, so I'm gonna give it the top, and North America 2, Europe 2, Africa 2, so on and so forth, and then selecting some values. Don't send me a copy, submit, and of course it's going to give me the confirmation that it's collecting my user ID. Yes, submit. And as soon as I go back to our chart here, you're going to see that this one got updated. So if we go back here, you'll see that South America was updated. So basically, this is how we create these charts. In the next video, we're going to see how we can implement these beautiful charts in our Google site. Thank you.